on, yeah. Come on, man. It's the R&B star of the dub, man. Y'all see him firsthand right here, YouTube. He was smoking Lucy's. You hear his voice?
Cut this shit off.
Yo, this shit is going where it's going, nigga. You better speak, nigga.
You see him, he been smoking Lucy. Come on, you ain't gonna get me.
Come on, man. That's a pretty ass nigga. Look at this nigga, man.
Come on, man.
Look at this nigga, man.
Come on.
Fresh ass nigga, son. He out here stunting in the hood, man.
Nah, this nigga.
Come on, man.
The cameraman.
This is the R&B / comedian. This nigga sing to you, then cut your ass.
This nigga, you know what, yo, Duke, we gonna cut this. I'm going to shit, and I got you. I got you.
He said, I'm going to shit.
He said, nigga. I'll be finished shit, and I'm coming back to fuck YouTube up. I ain't bullshit.
Yo, easy, man. Oh! Oh! Let's get it. Yo, Kia, what up?
Today's show is called
Kia is cracking. Kia is cracking. Hold up.
Today's show is called Wrap Your Shit Up. Wrap your motherfucking hair. Do you got anything to say?
Nigga said, yo, where's she going?
Yo, we ain't getting right out. Shout out to cameraman A. You don't talk to liar? What I lied about?
What he lied about? What he lied about? What he lied about? Come on, where you going, son?
Being with the white girl?
He was with the white girl?
I think he was with the white girl.
Come on, why you running from the can, man? Why you? Come on, man. Paparazzi, man. You know what it is.
Cut.
Cut.